In this video, we are going to take a look at how you can showcase your credentials with the use of our sharing capabilities. Regardless of whether you are on a development journey, taking your first steps towards a new career or within a new industry, or if you're working toward a wider qualification as part of your education, sharing credentials can be a benefit across the board. First, it allows you to build credibility and visibility in a competitive job market. It allows you to signal a new direction or readiness for new roles, to stay competitive, demonstrating continuous learning. It allows you to show your compliance with industry regulations and requirements, as well as help build authority within your network while also encouraging those around you to do the same. With all of this in mind, let's take a look at how you can access and use the sharing options we have available. Upon receiving your credential delivery email, you will be directed to view your credential by clicking on an icon, by copy and pasting your credential link, or in this case, by clicking the View My Credential button. Once you have done this, you will be taken to your individual credential page. Alongside being able to view your new certificate, your new badge, you will also have access to a host of options allowing you to engage and share your credentials. This includes sharing your unique credential URL with anyone such as employers, admissions officers, or any other kind of stakeholder by sending an email directly to them and inviting them to visit your credential webpage. You can also utilize the LinkedIn share option here, which will allow you to share your credential to your LinkedIn feed with a post that you have the ability to tailor, as well as utilizing our Share Credential widget, which allows you to showcase your credentials on a number of different social media platforms available here. We even provide you with further detail on our recommended steps in order to do this in the most efficient way possible. Alongside sharing, you also have the ability to embed your digital credentials within an email signature so that everyone seeing your emails has the ability to check out your live credential. Alternatively, you can also choose to embed an image of your credential or your full credential page within a web page of your choice. Within the Embed Credential section, you will find further details on how to complete this process, as well as giving you a link to our help articles that go into a little bit more detail. Further engagement options include the ability to download both your certificate as well as your badge image. If for any reason you require a physical copy of your certificate or badge, you will have the option to download a certificate PDF via the PDF button here, and you have the ability to download a PNG of your badge via the badge button that you see on the screen here. Next, we're going to look at the privacy button. This privacy button on your credential page allows you to take control of the privacy of this particular credential. If for whatever reason this needs to be tailored slightly differently, you have the ability to make that change within this pop-up on your page. If you are changing your credential privacy to private, please note that these credentials will only be visible to you. Links used to share this credential on social media will not work. It will be hidden from search engine results, and it will not appear in your directory profile if you are a member of a professional spotlight directory with Accredible. You will also have access to the create and send a transcript feature, the request a name change feature. You will also see the ability to contact your issuer. You have the ability to add it to your mobile wallet, as well as be directed to more information about this particular credential. Lastly, you will also have access to the help functionality here. By clicking this button, you'll be provided with a set of options to either request a name change, but more importantly, you will be directed to an email address if you would like to contact your issuer, as well as have the ability to access the Accredible help desk for further information and help articles on how you can view, engage, and share your credentials with Accredible. You are now one step closer to showcasing your credentials and managing them within Accredible. If you have any questions on how to use, share, and manage your credentials, you can either access our Accredible knowledge base or email us on support@accredible.com for further guidance.